Hello everyone. Here we will discuss about the dictionary. Dictionary is the simple way how we can understand dictionary. Dictionary is like a list of a copy of you can say lightweight class, or you can say it's a list of items, or you can say different items, list of different items, and this is the dictionary, right? And in the dictionary different items we can store. For example, here I am storing one student detail, like what is his name, what is his age, and what the course he is going to do, right? And in which course he is, right? So this is the dictionary. Now how we can print the dictionary value? This is the student dictionary name, and inside the dictionary, you can define the string which you want to print. So here, age, name, and course are there. I am printing one by one. So let me clear and run the application. Yes, yes, you can see name is Rahul, age is 21, and course is Python. Right? So this is the dictionary. Still, if you have any confusion, you can message me. I will try to explain. I hope you understand the dictionary. Thank you.